Did you know there's a place where the pages of your favourite childhood book actually come to life? Welcome to Pooh Corner in Hartfield, the gateway to the legendary Ashdown Forest and the real-life home of the 100 Acre Wood. This is the ultimate family adventure. You can start your journey at the iconic Pooh Bridge. It's time to gather your family, grab some sticks, and see who wins a game of Pooh Sticks on the very bridge that inspired A.A. Milne nearly a century ago. Then head deep into the forest on an expedition. See if you can find the North Pole, explore Roo's sandy pit, or keep a lookout for the mysterious Heffalump Trap. It's a magical landscape where every hollow tree feels like a house for a bear of very little brain. After your trek, head back to Pooh Corner to refuel at Piglit's tea room for a smackerel of something sweet. Don't forget to visit the museum, which houses the world's largest collection of Pooh memorabilia. It's a nostalgic dream for parents and kids alike. Whether you're 5 or 95, the magic of the forest is waiting for you. So, are you ready to go on an adventure? See you in the woods!